Welcome to HGH. I recently started testing Source Natural's HGH Surge, hoping for a natural boost in energy and skin tone without having to sell my soul to a gym. Right away, my sleep improved noticeably, with fewer nighttime wake-ups and a genuinely refreshed feeling. My workouts felt more sustainable, and while the muscle changes were subtle, which is a polite way of saying I didn't magically transform into a Marvel hero overnight, there was some definite improvement. Because clearly, we all believe a few pills can replace a lifetime of discipline. Online reviewers on iHerb are echoing these sentiments, claiming better moods, youthful energy, and even improved weight management after about a month. However, the honeymoon phase ends when you realize the formula requires 5 tablets every single night. That's not a supplement routine, it's a choking hazard. If you enjoy the sensation of swallowing a handful of pebbles before bed, you'll feel right at home. On the downside, some users report mild digestive issues or unwanted drowsiness if taken too early. More concerning is that several ingredients appear underdosed compared to clinical studies, meaning the effects might stay modest for the average person. Ultimately, while I'm seeing steady benefits in sleep and recovery, the results aren't exactly life-altering. It's a long-term commitment that requires a lot of patience and an impressively large throat to maintain.